Welcome back. We've explored diverse self-care practices and are now ready to put them into action. It's time to craft your personalized self-care plan. From inspiration to integration, building your plan. Remember, self-care isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. Creating a personalized plan helps you integrate self-care practices into your daily routine, ensuring you reap the long-term benefits. Let's get started. Step 1. Reflect and prioritize. Reflect. Think about the self-care practices you explored in the previous lesson. Which ones resonated with you the most? What areas of your well-being, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, need the most attention right now? Prioritize. Choose 3 to 5 practices that you're most excited to try or feel are most crucial for your current needs. Remember, this is your plan, so prioritize based on what feels right for you. Step 2. Schedule and be realistic. Schedule. Now comes the fun part. Open your calendar or planner and start blocking out time for your chosen practices. Be realistic about your time constraints and energy levels. Aim for small, consistent steps rather than overwhelming yourself. Start small. Begin with shorter durations and gradually increase as you build a habit. Remember, even 5-10 minutes of self-care can make a significant difference. Step 3. Be flexible and adaptable. Adapt your plan. Life happens. Be prepared to adjust your schedule or chosen practices based on your changing needs and circumstances. Don't see it as a failure. View it as an opportunity to adapt and refine your approach. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress no matter how small. Completing a scheduled self-care activity is a victory, so reward yourself and build motivation to continue. Activities. Journaling. Participate in a journaling exercise to identify and reflect on your current needs and areas where self-care can offer the most support. Plan it out. Utilizing a downloadable template or planner, start filling in your self-care activities for the week. Consider using different colors or symbols to distinguish between physical, mental, and spiritual practices. Buddy up. Find an accountability partner who can support you on your self-care journey. Share your plans with them. Encourage each other and celebrate successes together. Remember, this is your personalized plan, not a rigid rulebook. Experiment, listen to your needs, and adjust your approach as needed. The key is to find a sustainable and joyful way to integrate self-care into your life, empowering you to navigate menopause with greater well-being and inner peace.